Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw BNB from XMO to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance coin seamlessly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Kraken. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms if you haven't already. It's a quick step that helps prevent any headaches later. Once that's done, log into your XMO account and head over to the Wallet or Funds section. Here, locate your BNB balance and click on the Withdrawal option. Next, you'll need to enter the wallet address from Kraken. Don't rush this part. Copy the BNB deposit address directly from your Kraken account to avoid any typos. Kraken might have updated their interface by 2025, so look for the Deposit button in your Kraken wallet and select BNB as the cryptocurrency. Paste that address into the XMO withdrawal form, then specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the network fees. BNB transactions usually use the BNB Smart Chain, so choose that to keep costs low. Before you hit confirm, review all the details. Double-check the address, the amount, and any confirmation emails or 2FA codes required. Once you're good to go, approve the withdrawal and sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once the BNB shows up in your Kraken account, you're all set. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this. In 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so stay updated on any new rules from XMO or Kraken. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more guides like this. See you in the next video.